Yo, what's going on, people? It's back with your boy Bestie. Yeah, man. So I know a lot of people were saying to me that I should jump back on the YouTube thing. I wasn't really and truly ready for it. But yeah, this is just out for the ones who's kept true, and yeah, who's literally just been messaging me, yeah, best jump back on it. And all of my close ones who've literally told me to jump back on it. So I'm gonna try and see where it gets. I'm not gonna stay that consistent, because you know I got busy life, innit? Busy life. Put it this way, so boom, where are we with the RS3? So we still got the RS3 is still here. Done a couple upgrades to it, engine wise and also body styling wise from the last time that you guys have seen it. Current colorway at this moment in time is a neon orange. We're gonna call it a neon orange. Yeah, but this is the whole reason for this video, reason why I'm gonna talk to you car guys about it, because for you car guys, some of you will know my pain what I'm gonna say. And yeah, it's just the reason why you should spend a decent amount on decent vinyl rather than just doing the eBay way, which I kind of cheated out and done. Reason why is because I was too busy to go all the way up to the vinyl shop. The vinyl shop from me, well, my vinyl shop, what I use, is roughly around about, I'm gonna say like hour 45 minutes away from me. I'm based in London and the vinyl shop is based around Kent. So yeah, I just couldn't be bothered to go down there, to be honest with you. So I cheaped out and shouldn't have, man. But yeah, I'm going to show you some pictures of the car. Then we're going to talk about the reason why you shouldn't take a shortcut on basically vinyl, and just, yeah, the reason why. Because I know a lot of people, actually, before I cut and I go into the cinematics, I know a lot of people are thinking to themselves, when rappers charge a lot of money, like a lot, 1.5, 1.2, 1.3, people are like, what? It's only just to put a sticker around the car. However, it is the actual vinyl. The vinyl, yeah, you've got to go right or it will just peel off. But yeah, let's cut into the cinematics, and then we'll get back to talking. So I hope that, yeah, I still got my cinematic skills. I'm not too sure, because once I've edited this, it's no going back in it. That's the one thing about YouTube what I like, is creating things in the moment. You know, we do a lot of things in our day-to-day, but we don't really and truly see who it actually affects. And YouTube is one of those things where you can do something and then watch back exactly what you've done. So yeah, that's a good positive, really and truly, about YouTube. But let's get on to the vinyl. So I'm not too sure if you guys saw in the cinematics exactly how the vinyl's looking. However, some bits of the vinyl is really bright, and then some are almost like, I'm gonna call it sunburnt, like if the sun has drawn out the color of the actual vinyl, just because it's cheap vinyl. But yeah, let's get into it. So my original idea with the vinyl at the back for the diffuser was to have the orange going over every single slap. It was almost like that for around about a few days. I'm going to insert a video in of me revving the car, thanks to my mum who actually filmed that video. She's a car fanatic, same as me. But yeah, you will see exactly it on, and then now it's off due to the vinyl was peeling from the bottom here. So I just ended up taking it off and keeping some of the pieces which have stuck on. So yeah, let's walk around to the front of the car, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean about the color difference. All right, so let's get down here and have a look at this. So as you can see, this is the same vinyl. This isn't different vinyl, it's the same vinyl, but it's just drawn out. It's like it's lost its color. And then if you look down here, you can see the vinyl is a little bit better. However, it's still wanting to lift. Now, in saying so, I know what we're gonna say. Vinyl should be vinyl. Yeah, vinyl should be vinyl, but yeah, don't cheap out on these things, guys. As I said, I'm just a car guy. Do you know what I mean? If I find a deal, I'm gonna try to go for a deal. But really and truly, have I wasted my money? Yes, I have. Have I wasted the colorway? Yes, I have. However, are we gonna go back and we're gonna revisit this colorway? Yes, we will. However, knowing me, I'm gonna throw a little bit of a spin to it. So I'm not too sure what colorway I'm gonna go with next. If you look in the car, we've got a strip there and we've got a strip up on the actual steering wheel, just because I had some extra vinyl. I've still got tons of this vinyl left, so I didn't really and truly need to make this video, because I could have just gone over it and just replaced it with fresh vinyl and nobody would have known the difference. However, I feel that it is better me come out, talk to you guys, because I know there's some guys who are starting off like with the designing and modifications with the car, if you want to call that a mod or aesthetic mod, whichever you want to call it. Like, I know there's a lot of people who's actually coming out and wanting to do them. So my advice to you, who's been in it for a very long time and done many designs on numerous cars, don't cheap out on vinyl, guys. Literally, I know it sounds a bit of a but eBay should be able to do, you know, the best thing, but no, don't cheap out on it. If you're gonna get your own pre-cut vinyl, then go to a certified company. If you're gonna cut your vinyl yourself, like what I do, because some places I want different, just don't cheap out on it, guys. Literally, don't cheap out on it. But yeah, with that being said, so I think it's a wrap for this video. Coming back, we've got the best plate on the car, as we said. I think it was like 2 videos ago where we left when we left YouTube for a little bit. Funny enough, yeah, there is another subject what we can touch on, but I don't want to make this a long video. I just want to have a welcome back to you guys, and also as we do, I'm going to have a little bit of a real talk in it after this ambulance goes past. The real talk, what it is personally in my life, what I've been going through is I'm going through some losses, some sudden losses, like with loved ones and stuff in my life. And I just wanted to kind of reach out to everyone at this moment in time, and I wanted to say to everyone, you know, if you are suffering like with mental health, or you are suffering with a loved one, what you've lost, don't be scared to reach out to somebody and talk to them. Because sometimes it's better to talk with people. I know, like, us as humans, we deal with things in different ways. But yeah, it's just a crazy life that we're living. You could literally be with someone today and then they're gone tomorrow. So with that being said, guys, please, I know it's hard, and even I myself need to work on it, because I'm not perfect. I've got many enemies, but that's not important at the end of the day. If people want to be in your life, they'll be in your life. If they want to go, let them go. Simple as. Life's too short to be holding on to people who don't actually want to be in your life. And with that being said, I'm going to close off this chapter here. I'm not going to say I'm going to see you next week. However, I'm going to try my best to, you know, get these videos out, because yeah, the message that I received on Insta, put it this way, the message that I received on Insta for for the reason why that I thought of coming back is, someone was just like, you know, when I see your videos, bestie, like, I think about the good old days, like the 2018s, 2019s, when car scene was banging. Like, you was out there every single week without fail. Sorry, another ambulance. yeah, you was out there banging out like car meets every single week. Where you been? And it's a thing where that it's not that I've lost love with the car scene, is that I've lost love with people from the car scene. So I can't surround myself with people from the car scene. Now, that's not a call out for anybody, and that's not like, how can I say, yeah, that's not like, yeah, it's not a call out for anybody. That's just as real as it gets. Sometimes you just got to cut yourself away from those type of things. And I'll be honest with you, from since I've done that, my money 110% got better. You know, lifestyle, living, yeah, it's hard from time to time, but that's like anybody else's. You just don't need the extra pressure from the car scene with gossip, he say, she say, all of that rubbish. You don't really and truly need. So on that note, I just want you guys just to know, no matter what problem you're going through, where you're going through it, how you're going through it, understand that you're going to always see the end of it. Love your loved ones, and anytime you argue with somebody, sometimes it's better to be the mature person and actually say to yourself, is it actually worth it? Because if this person was gone tomorrow, my last words might have been, I hate, I dislike. Would that have been a worth it fitting for that person? Would you want to depart ways with that person that way? So have a think about it. Sometimes, you know, even if you're not in the wrong, I've been in arguments and I'm not in the wrong. Like, dead ass, I believe that I'm correct. But sometimes it's better just to say, you know what, sorry, I apologize, and you know what I mean, like, let's move on from it. I'll learn from my mistakes. Yeah, maybe you might change your manner and you might change your stance on how you do things next time with those people or that person. However, that's better than parting ways with that person saying, I hate you, but you really and truly don't, and then never ever being able to say sorry to them. Have a think about it, but just be more diligent. And at the end of the day, just love the life that you live, because any day it can be taken from you, whether it's natural cause or it's because of an illness. So I'd like to dedicate this this YouTube video here to, back to the topic of the video. Don't buy cheap vinyl like me and make an L. You know what I mean? As I said, like in the beginning and the description of this video, like description of my YouTube, actually, not just this video, I said I'll be documenting everything. So this is one of the things that I'm gonna have to redo. So if you want to, comment down below. It's not a false thing to comment down below, but if you do, it makes me know that you've watched the video until now. Comment down below what color you will want to see as an accent color on the car next. I do have an idea of what I want to wrap the car. It's just it's a Marmite one. Some people might like it, some people might not like it, but at the end of the day, I'm doing it for me, right? So once all the funds are saved up for that, I will be wrapping this car. However, like any other modification, any other thing in life, never put yourself in debt to do these type of things. That's rule number one.